Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the activities settings on your account on Bigo Live easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see here, you are on the home page, so click on your profile section, and then here as you see you will find the activities section here. So as you see here, you can manage this section, customizes or manages. Here you'll find the global activities and the regional activities. So that's it. That's how to find the activity settings on your account on Bigo Live easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.